It's time to make a piñata cake. Oh, you will need cake, obviously, and you'll need some sprinkles and some candy and a turntable. Take your circle cookie cutter and make circles in each of the cakes. Take your buttercream and layer it to each of the 3 layers and keep stacking them. Also, add some buttercream in the middle of the cake. Now bam, add all of your candy in the middle of the cake. Take your non-cut cake and put it on the top of your cake. Now what you're going to do is take your buttercream and spread it all over your cake and then spread it out with a spatula. We're almost done. Add some sprinkles around the perimeter of the cake. Now let's cut the cake to see the surprise inside. Ow!
Eat it up like piñata.